Okay, welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's play a Najdorf, or not, as the case may be. It's chickened out. Najdorf. Clamp down on d4 instead. I don't want any pesky bishop pins. I was going for this f4 plan, squeezing g5, g4 later, knight g6, g4. I think I first went a trends book. There's these pamphlets, trends pamphlets. I don't think it shouldn't give. There shouldn't be too much problem here with f4, should there? I'll take and try and play e5, I guess. But it might be weak after d5. I think that pawn might be weak. So if I can get to play g5, knight g6, I'll get an ideal sort of position. I wonder if bishop e6 would have been good there. I think I played that too quickly. It's getting onto my light squares. That's a nuisance. This guy's full of surprises. Oh, okay. Can I squeeze his king side or not? Knight g6, g4, f3, that sort of thing. Okay. We'll trap his queen. And plot to trap his queen. Bishop f6, king g7, maybe prepare for h5 slowly. So bishop f6 here. I don't want his queen coming into my position particularly. So bishop f6, not allowing queen e6. So will it give me time for this h5 plan? I'm not sure it really does much. Actually, maybe knight h4 is quicker. Just try and work on that g file. I've actually got 1 out of 5. I've got this p stat variable set. It shows me I've got 1 out of 5 against him, 20%. If this is the right person, oh my word! He plays quite provocatively, in a way. Yes. Okay. I suppose doubling rooks is it's going to get all the light squares. I'll try and treble or something, or not enough time. Queen e8. Rook g7 after. Queen h5 is on f3 at least. So I'm going to try and double on queen h5. That's such a nuisance move. Why is he just giving his queen? Why does it take that? This guy's... I've only got 1 out of 5 against this guy. It's unbelievable. He just gives up his queen. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my word. Girome Bono. He's just blundered his queen. That was a bit of a panic reaction. Well, things weren't that bad, surely. Before the queen blunder, it was like, yes, very good for white. Yes, I think maybe he tricks me with this opening. I think that's why he's got such a good score against me. I just think I'm going to roll him over on the king side. I think he's done this before to me. There's nothing wrong with bishop e6. If he took here, then his queen is going to get trapped, surely. No, not there. Bishop c8 traps the queen. Oh, this bishop e6 is a wonderful move to try and get him to trap his queen. This is just terrible. I've given him the light square bishop. I've given him everything he wants from his opening. Light square control. It's just better for white. Got nothing. Actually, it seems like a dead position. Although less than a pawn advantage, according to the computer. So bishop h3 would have been preferred here, using that light square control. Yeah, he's just planted his queen. It's a strange one. Bishop h3, yeah, he's just better. So it was a let off. If takes here, he's got his move orders wrong or something. So here, oh, now take on f3. He's got to do something about f3. Get a little bit of play away with this or not. Queen d5. What about queen here now? That's good as well. I'm not really doing anything here. I'm just strategically busted, to be frank, on the light squares. It's just one slip up. That queen b7 just put me on a back foot. But anyway, okay, bit of luck there. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.